Are you all fine? Okay. Do you remember me? Okay, I'll tell you again. I'm Shilpa and I'll engage your science class. Okay, children. Last class, I think I have taken only one class for you, right? Okay. Last class I have taken, we have discussed about living things, is it? Have you learned that? Have you? Okay, we will see. A quick revision of living things. Okay, last class, long back week ago, I have sent a video. So again, we will remind once again the living things. Okay, the things which have life in them are called living things. Tell me, children, the things which have life in them are called living things. If you observe your surrounding, you can get to know which thing having a life, which can move, which is breathing, which can react. Correct? Animals, trees, birds, insects, humans like you, your mother, your brother, then dog, cow, cat, trees, everything yeah, will grow, right? These are called living things. I said living things will grow. It is a feature of living things. Let us see some features of living things. Living things can move, grows, breathe, and die. Living thing can move from one place to other. You can move, even animals and birds also can fly. So living things will move from one place to other and they'll grow every day, each and every day. You can observe living things will grow in a height. The size will increase every day. If you observe, the size of the thing will increase. Then living things will breathe. Living things will breathe the air. Then what living things need to live? What living things need to live? The living things need food, air, and water. What living things need? Repeat it again. Food, air, and water. We need food, air, and water to stay alive. Okay. Till now we have discussed about the previous class. Okay, let us start today's session, non-living things. This is about non-living things. Before we have seen living things, the things which have a life in them. But non-living things not like that. Non-living things doesn't have a life. They cannot move their own. Okay, non-living things does not have a life. They cannot move their own. Some examples I have written here. See, pencil, book, chair, television, bag, blackboard, fan, spoon. There are many things around you, correct? Those which does not have a life called non-living things. Okay, same thing I have shown in a picture. You can observe bicycle, table, socks. You used to wear no for school socks, car, your toys, then combing brush, many things around you. These things can move. Think children, is this can move without your help? No, correct. Okay. These things cannot move their own. These things does not have a life. These are called non-living things. Then living things feature you have seen. But what about non-living things? Is non-living things can move? No. Non-living things are not alive. They don't have a life. They'll not grow. They'll not move. Non-living things do not need a food, water or air. Since they are not alive, they'll not grow, they'll not need a food, also air, even a water. They don't need anything. Okay. Here again I have shown some pictures, table, some stone, shoes, books, your dress, phone, spoons. These are called non-living things. They do not need a food. Okay. Non-living things do not, before do not move. They cannot move. Is your pencil, books can move without your help? Try it. No. You cannot move the books without your help, correct? They fixed at one place. If you take, then it can. Otherwise, it won't move, correct? So, those things which cannot move, which cannot grow, which cannot breathe are the non-living things. Okay, here is the end of this lesson 1, living things. We have seen both the living things, non-living things, and features of it. Okay, in the next classes we will see the lesson 2. Thank you children. Take care and read properly. Follow the video every day. If you have any doubts, you can message me.